Going back to the premiere, how, if at all, did your mother's passing affect the premiere of Alice in Wonderland?
We didn't let anybody know that Mom had passed away. We kept that really close to just our, just family and friends, because he had to go do the premiere, and with the premiere he's on the carpet, and on the carpet he does interviews, and it didn't feel right on many levels to have him where people knew that Mom had passed away, and while he's trying to do interviews to sort of give their condolences and their sympathies and all of that. So we kind of kept it just with us so that it wouldn't become a worldwide thing, and he could just do what he was supposed to do and do his job. And
did you think he could handle hearing all that sympathy at the premiere?
I didn't think he should handle it. I thought it would be very hard on him. It would be very hard, question after question and condolences.
Did there come a time when Ms. Heard filed for divorce from your brother?
Yes.
When was that?
I learned that she had filed on the Tuesday morning. After that premiere, the Tuesday morning, I was at the funeral home and I got a call from the attorney to let me know that she had filed.
Where was Johnny when you learned that Ms. Heard had filed for divorce?
He was already in New York and getting ready to travel to Europe for the tour.
How did you react initially when you heard from Mr. Depp's attorney that Ms. Heard had filed for divorce?
I mean, I think understandably, the timing of this, it made me sick, actually. It really made me feel ill. It made me sad, frustrated. I can't even find the word to describe how I felt when I heard that the divorce was filed the day after, while I'm at the funeral home.
You didn't think the timing of Ms. Heard's filing was appropriate?
I did not. I thought something like that might have been able to wait.
Did there come a time when you learned that Ms. Heard had also filed for a restraining order against Johnny?
Yes. Yes, I think I heard that also from the attorney. I believe the day before. It was a Thursday, I think. I learned that one.
So this was 2 days after your brother had left for New York?
Yes. Yes, because I was shocked at that. I was shocked at that, and concerned that he was out of town and didn't know if he needed to be there. He was gone, and I was asking the attorney, and they said, no, he doesn't have to be there. No one has to be there. Amber won't be there. No one will be there, just attorneys. It's a very simple process.
Did Johnny attend the restraining order hearing?
No, he was not in town. He wasn't in the country.
Did you see any press coverage of the restraining order hearing?
Yes, I did.
Would you please tell the jury what you saw or read?
Objection, calls for hearsay.
Not asking for the proof of what was in the articles. It's a present sense impression.
Relevant. Why is it relevant?
All right, I'll sustain it to hearsay and relevance.
Okay. Did you see was there press coverage of the hearing?
There was a tremendous amount of press coverage.
Did you read any of it?
I did read some of it. I saw some of it.
Putting aside the truth or falsity of what you saw, what did you see?
Relevance
Why is that relevant?
and hearsay.
Was the...
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question. Okay.
How did you feel when you read the press?
Relevance. How the witness felt is irrelevant.
What's the relevance?
I think it's relevant to her testimony, Your Honor, but I can move on.
Okay, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Moving ahead 2 years in time, did you see Ms. Heard's Washington Post op-ed when it was published in December 2018?
Yes.
What did you think Ms. Heard's op-ed was about?
Relevance.
It's entirely relevant. They're trying to argue somehow that people didn't understand what the op-ed meant. We heard an opening where there was...
I want you to approach,
Yes, Your Honor.
please.
Ms. Dembrowskit, have you had any discussions with your brother about the op-ed?
Yes.
Object to anything after the yes is hearsay.
I'm not sure if it is or not.
It's a yes or no question.
Okay, all right, next question.
As Mr. Depp's brother and as his personal manager, do you have any understanding how the publication of the op-ed has affected your brother's career?
Objection, foundation, Your Honor, and hearsay.
I don't know if it's
You-
hearsay.
I apologize, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
that's fine.
But she's worked with her brother for
I'll
several
allow that.
decades.
Let's see where the answer goes.
You may answer.
I'm sorry, would you mind asking it again?
Do you have an understanding of how the publication of the op-ed has affected your brother's career?
Yes. The op-ed is written with the way it was written, the wordings within the op-ed make it very clear of a time frame.
Objection, Your Honor.
Get the director to answer that question again. Maybe you should ask it again.
How has the publication of Ms. Heard's op-ed, putting aside for a moment its relationship to your brother, its references to your brother, how has it affected his career?
I believe there's a negative effect on anyone's career when there's accusations, as there have been.
How has it affected him personally?
Objection, foundation.
She's his sister, Your Honor.
I'll allow it. Go ahead.
Personally, I know he doesn't want people to feel that that he could ever be that type of person, which he isn't. And to know that actually that is something that is attached to him now, which trickles down to his children, where I think that part, more than anything, is the part that has bothered him, the fact that his children have to, have this in their life.
Ms. Dembrowski, do you believe that your brother physically abused Ms. Heard?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance, foundation.
I'll sustain the objection.
Do you believe that Ms. Heard is a public figure representing domestic violence?
No, I don't. I believe the opposite.
Excuse me. I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. You can strike that answer, please. Thank you.
As his sister and as his personal manager for decades, are you aware of any occasion on which any woman other than Ms. Heard has ever accused your brother of any type of physical abuse?
Objection, foundation, hearsay.
I'll allow the answer.
No.
How has Ms. Heard's op-ed impacted your life?
Objection, relevance.
What's the relevance?
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I
Okay.
have right now.
All right. I'll withdraw the question. Okay. All right.